right. Welcome in, everybody. Aaron Montgomery here. I am serving up a secret sauce, or as we talked about at the top, a recipe for success that will help you banish the fog and gain crystal clear clarity in your business. So, the key ingredient is clarity. So, imagine this: you're driving through a thick fog, you're disoriented, you're second guessing. Oh, where's that car in front of me? You're constantly stressed about what lies ahead. You're just gripping the steering wheel. That's what running a business without clarity feels like. It's overwhelming, it's uncertain. But if you lift that fog, now all of a sudden you can loosen your grip, the road ahead is clear, you're moving forward with confidence, and you end up arriving at your destination before you even know it. You almost feel unstoppable, right? That's what clarity does. It transforms confusion into certainty, hesitation into action, and stress into progress. Now, the recipe for clarity comes right out of my book, The Fundamentals of Business Success. And just like in the kitchen, if you were physically in a kitchen, the best recipes have a few key steps that you have to go in order with. So let's get cooking. Step number one, you have to unlock your reason, right? My shirt says your reasons have to be bigger than your excuses, right? Reason, your why, whatever you want to call it. That's the base flavor. And your why in this particular case, why are you in business in the first place, right? What drives you? What's your purpose? Without understanding your core motivations, it's like cooking without knowing what dish you're actually making. It's all just random ingredients thrown in together. And here's the other key, really quick point. Your why, your reason is more than just making money, by the way, but that we can talk about that later. Unlocking your reason really flavors every action. It guides all of your decisions. It helps you stay on track no matter what the challenge is. All right. So that's step number one. Step number two, set clear goals and season those with vision. Right. So we need to add a dash of clarity by setting clear goals. And this is like seasoning your dish. It's making sure you have direction and purpose, because without it, everything's going to fall flat. Right. And so once we understand and have a very specific goal, how much and by when, then we use what's called the VAST method to create a vision of success that's so vivid and detailed, you can almost taste it. Right. This isn't just a basic goal. It's the ultimate dish you're cooking up here. It should be very specific, engaging all of your senses and emotions and keeping you motivated as you work towards it. Then step number three, and this is the great part about this recipe. It's a 3-part recipe: action plan, step-by-step recipe. Now, every great meal needs to go in order. And this is where your action plan comes in. It's a clear, actionable blueprint that guides you towards your goal. Without it, you're just throwing ingredients into a pot and hoping something good comes out. But by breaking down your bigger vision into smaller, manageable tasks, processes, and ways of doing it that work for you, you won't be able to get there without that, right? So with each step, you're going to end up feeling more confident. And before you know it, success is there and you didn't even feel like you had to work for it. So my secret recipe for clarity gives you the steps. Making sure that you add enough of that secret ingredient, clarity, is crucial. How much time in your business right now are you working on your business, not just in it? Right? That's a question you need to answer for yourself and answer honestly. And that's where the best clarity comes from: when you slow down, you look at the big picture, and you ask those why questions. Right? Just like a master chef, when you combine these key ingredients, your why, your clear goals, and a solid action plan, you're starting to lift that fog in your business and you move forward with clarity and confidence and purpose. Right. So if you are ready to cook up your own success, I do invite you to go over to our group, osg.link/group. Get engaged over there. Don't just come check it out and don't be a lurker. Get in there and you'll then start gaining more tips, resources, insights. Clarity is the foundation of progress, decision making, and overcoming challenges. The clearer your vision, the easier it is to reach your goal. And I love to guide people towards clarity. So that's my secret recipe for success. Enjoy the sauce.